Welcome, wonderful second grade writers, to day 5 of our informative writing about soil. It's the last day, and we are going to be writing our final draft. So we are going to take this graphic organizer that you have edited on and added on and worked on, and we're going to turn it into this beautiful polished paragraph. And I need to talk to you about this because we've had some students who are not understanding what your final draft looks like. And essentially, we're taking it out of the graphic organizer, we're putting it on a nice piece of paper, or we're typing it up nicely. And there's just a couple notes about formatting. So especially if you're writing it on a piece of paper, you're going to want to start at the top of the paper with what is called an indent. So you can see right up here at the top, I haven't started right at the edge like I do every other line. What I'm doing is going in a couple of spaces. This is called an indent, and it lets people know where the beginning of a new paragraph is. You can find it in all of your writing or reading that you're doing. You can see each new paragraph starts with an indent. If you're writing this down on paper, a great way to do your indent is to put 2 fingers down and make sure that you start at least 2 finger widths away from the edge of the paper where the rest of them are sitting. And then double check and make sure that each line after does start again on the edge so that your paragraph indentation stands out. Okay. Then you're writing in your nicest, neatest handwriting. You're including all of the editing that you did before. If you said, oh, this needs to have a comma, make sure it has a comma. This needs to be capitalized, make sure it's capitalized. This should not be capitalized, make sure that it is lowercase, etc. Okay, when you have finished, you are ready to turn in. This is a great very last chance for you guys to make sure that you're adhering to all of the things on the checklist. So as you're writing, you can kind of just think about it a little bit to make sure that you are turning in your very best writing. You guys, I cannot wait to see what you have written. I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to see it. I'm so proud of you, and I will see you next time.